Our mission is just to bring science to life for visitors of all ages. Carnegie Science Center is Pittsburgh's most visited museum, and we delight, educate, and inspire through interactive experiences in science and technology. The Miniature Railroad and Village is one of Carnegie Science Center's crown jewels, by far one of our most beloved exhibits. It's been here since we opened in 1991, and it continues to fascinate visitors of all ages with its incredibly realistic depictions of Western Pennsylvania landmarks and what life was like from the 1880s to about 1940.
My name is Patty Everly, and I am the curator of historic exhibits at Carnegie Science Center. The Miniature Railroad and Village just turned 100 years old. As you enter the Miniature Railroad and Village, you're first introduced to the natural resources and early industries of our area. Of course, our area is synonymous with coal mining. From there you'll see our roundhouse and rail yard before moving to the country scenes, the city scenes, airfield, amusement park, and we have the Crawford Grill, the famous jazz club that used to be in the Hill District, and Permane Brothers Restaurant on the 18th Street, Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood House. This is the fictional house that you can see in the opening scene of Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. We have the historic Allegheny County Morgue, which if you look very closely is moving. We have the Kaufman's building, the original Kaufman's building built downtown in 1885. You can really immerse yourself in it. You know, you can stand there and imagine yourself standing on the balcony of falling water. It's interactive for your imagination.
The looks on people's faces whenever they come in the museum and they see the Luna Park display for the first time, or they notice an animation they didn't see before. It is just a timeless tradition for Pittsburgh, and as an employee it brings me great joy to see how we're able to entertain and also educate people about local history. This is a really exciting year for Carnegie Science Center as we're celebrating the centennial anniversary of the Miniature Railroad and Village. With that in mind, we really wanted to create a special design in terms of merchandise for the 100th anniversary. Excel has served us extremely well with previous designs, from really cool robotic t-shirt designs to fun Leonardo da Vinci designs for our special Da Vinci exhibition. We knew we wanted to work with them on the Miniature Railroad and Village because they offer really personal service and creativity that is unmatched. The shirt itself features an amazing design of a locomotive, which that's the heart and soul of the Miniature Railroad and Village. So I think it appeals to train collectors and also just general fans of the exhibits. And I look forward to seeing it on many of our visitors this year as they come check us out for the 100th anniversary.
Please support the Miniature Railroad and Village. Go to our page on the Carnegie Science Center's website. There's a posting there. You can learn about what's new this year, the Kaufman's building, but also our centennial campaign for our 100th anniversary. And this is all to help us do a lot of updates and repairs to the exhibit, but then also allow us to keep up with maintenance so that this exhibit can be guaranteed another 100 years.